GFAची आयतारा सर्वसाधारण बसका जाली. जनरल बॉडी जे कितें निर्णय घेता तो फायनल निर्णय. दिल्लीक वा गोंया बसून कोण कितें चिंतता तें म्हत्वाचें न्हय म्हण एल्विस गोम्स उलयला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
हे मिटिंगेन अमेंडमेंट्स कांय प्रपोज केल्ले. These amendments were necessitated as a result of certain directives, certain requests to implement the provisions of the National Sports Code, Development Code 2011, and also to bring it, the constitution, in line or in conformity with the All India Football Federation. The general body is supreme in all matters. What is decided by the general body is final and not what somebody else thinks, whether sitting in Delhi or Goa. So I think this has been made abundantly clear. What is the sports code all about? Sports code regulates conduct of elections, lays down a procedure, also mandates that the member clubs also must have a procedure for elections. जे आमचे पळय club who make this GFA, there is a duty now or responsibility cast on them also that they must have a procedure for elections in their constitution. So आमी हे रेगुलेट करपाक आज प्रोसिजर घातला. आता what is the main feature is the person who will vote, the club will depute a person who will vote. That person's name and designation has to be informed to the returning officer 20 days in advance. Finally, when taxpayers' money is put on this, these facilities should be available free. If you want to ask for Tilak ground, it looks like Fatorda Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is now exclusively reserved only for ISL. What is this?
What was the block?
Block is money.
No, the block. You as president, what was the block between you and the government? Why?
There is no block. We believe in systems. I believe in systems. I don't want that it should be depending on individual. Whoever comes and sees. The problem with us is we have not understood what is the meaning of establishing a system. It is not person centric. Nothing should be person centric. People will come and people will go. History may forget them. What is important is lay down a system. The ground should be made available to the local clubs.